para kang ulo lang yan.
Hindi ni habang ay,
Ay, huwag may tabakan, hindi ka bababa. Madali-dali.
Specific hour each week or day to spend time with Jesus in the blessed.
Hello. It's currently 3:37 and kaka-lunch ko lang. My lunch is corned beef. There. And nakakainis lang na weird and strange na routine ko today. Yung meal times, I don't want that to be normal. And hopefully, I will really tell myself na it's 12, it's lunchtime. And I eat breakfast early, I wake up early, I go to bed as early as I can para makakuha ng 5 to 6 hours of sleep. 5 to 7, kung kaya. So yeah, hopefully my day goes better tomorrow.
Going out.
Yeah, so cute. Yes. Ate Kay's gonna miss you because
matawag bigla.
because of Kali.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Where's Kali?
Ay, come here.
Tanong mo bukas jeep or trike?
Wala namang jeep ng umaga. Kasi ang tagal mag-intay ng jeep, so trike ako.
Hi! Banks is here today and it's August 7, mga 10:20. Basta mga minutes before 10:30 and I'm kind of rushing but this is my only time to speak. Kasi I'm trying na habulin yung before lunchtime sa URM kasi I have some claiming to do pa. Basta I have to claim my manual, my scrubs, and everything. So, yun yung goal. And then, doon na rin ako mag-lunch before my 1 p.m. anatomy face-to-face na histo lab. So, that's what's gonna happen today. And hopefully, I get home din mamaya nang hindi pa ganun kalit. Kasi 5 ata yung tapos, pero hopefully naman, kasi parang half yun eh. 1 to 3 is yung lab mismo, then 3 to 5 is individual study period or independent study period. So, yun yung ganap today. Then I'll have dinner here na with my prepared pasta. This is my ID, guys. Woo! Then ito yung RFID and beep card. I'm gonna go! Bye! day. Start pa lang.
Pag nakita mong mahirap. Basta...
Hello. So I'm filming this before, like right before I'll export the yung file ng vlog. So please bear with me kasi first, I don't know if I got to film enough clips for me to be able to show you yung first week of med school ko talaga na official with classes na FTF and online. But I tried. I tried every time na maalala ko mag-film. I tried to film kahit ma-distract ako. But that's what I did. And hopefully, I keep on getting better. And I really want to get better in filming and documenting. Kasi yun naman talaga yung goal ko in starting this vlog. So hopefully, sa mga next few vlogs na about med and like daily vlog, I get to film better for you guys. And next, gusto ko lang din like, i-conclude to with a summary of what really happened the first week of med school, like how I felt, what I really thought of it, and ano yung mga naging struggles and wins ko. So, to keep it short, parang, nung umpisa, it was really exciting and scary at the same time, but especially that yung week before nitong official med school week, first med school week is my graduation week. So, last week, that was the orientation week of UERM. And kasabay niya yung graduation week ko sa UPLB. So, nag-merge talaga yung dalawang season of my life. So, last week was a very busy week, full of celebrations, full of orientation sa med. Tapos, syempre, getting to know the system, how it works, at the same time, saying goodbye to the old system that I got used to, which is a UPLB. And ang dami ko nararamdaman talaga nun. Like, hindi ko na siya kaya i-share lahat sa vlog na to, but yung grad week ko, which is last week, before I filmed this, week na vlog, is super daming things to be grateful for, basically. And then, came this week. So, simula nga nung hinatid ako, it was full of adjustments naman and struggles and, of course, new things. New things na I learned about myself, about my environment, syempre yun sa school, given na yun, and socialization, again, socializing with new people, observing my environment, being used to it, having to build my routine. So yan, more on adjustments talaga and struggles and learning. So this week I was just really reminding myself every single day to take it one day at a time, literally, or one task at a time, 1 hour at a time, one subject at a time. Para open ako sa anumang learning yung patutunan ko. And so that I can use it to build a new routine. Kasi I'm a routine type of person and I don't like to work without routines. Like, I don't want to live without routines. I think it gives my day and my life in general a structure. So, yun. Really learning. A lot of learning this week. And I think there's more to come. Medyo adjusted na naman ako sa new living setup ko, which is yun sa condo ulit. Since it was 6 months. 6 months have passed simula nung I lived sa dorm mag-isa, and then nung senior high naman. So that was 5 years since nung nag-Manila ako nung senior high. So marami na talaga nag-iba, and I really have to learn, relearn, unlearn stuff. So yun. Sa social side naman, social life, well, it's okay naman. To be honest, okay naman. It's like, my social life is one of my priorities kasi, so I really make time for it. Syempre, calling the family, responding to friends when needed, and then yung sa UERM naman, yung new people there, I'm just really open. I'm so grateful na when I met my group mates sa Fisho, Histo, and Gross Lab, madali silang, like, it was easy and it was smooth. Kasi nga FTF, so ang daling mag-interact. So, I think okay naman. I'm just taking it as it is, as it comes. So, ayun lang. Ano ba ang sabihin ko? I think yun na lang kasi ang haba na. So, goodbye. Goodbye, and thank you for watching the vlog, and hopefully I see you on the next one. Bye!